This is Anne, and her dream is to live in Japan. What a wonderful dream, right? But when it comes to finding your home in Japan, the dream may turn into a nightmare. Japanese is a must in most real estate agencies. Besides, there are so many rules, so many confusing fees, and discouraging obstacles. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Forget about all those confusing procedures. At J-RoomBank.com, we'll provide you the right apartment for you, the easiest way, and with all the amenities. You just let us know what you need. In a few clicks, you'll have your apartment. And yeah, fully furnished. Whether you come to study, work, or just for holidays, your room in Japan is waiting for you at JRoomBank.com. Find today your room in Japan at JRoomBank.com and start living the dream. JRoomBank.com. Fully furnished apartments in Japan.